Hello and welcome back to Skin Barrier Bootcamp. It's me, Logan Browning. We talked about how over-cleansing can be super awful for your skin barrier, but today we are going to be talking about exfoliating. It is one of our most important parts of our skincare routines. Like, I am an exfoliation goddess, don't get me started. But let's get started, because exfoliating too frequently is disrupting your skin barrier. That is a big no. There are two kinds of exfoliants. There are mechanical exfoliants and there are chemical exfoliants. Mechanical exfoliants are things that have like jagged edges and little plastic beads, things that are like physically scrubbing your skin, creating tears on your skin barrier. Why would you want that? I am here to say, just stop. But what you do want are chemical exfoliants. Chemical exfoliants are incredible. These will get rid and slough off that excess layer of dead skin. These are things like BHAs, like willow bark extract, or AHAs like lactic acids. These are so good for your skin. These are the things you want. We want gimme. But of course, there is a such thing as way too much exfoliating. You cannot be exfoliating every day. More like 2-3 times a week is more appropriate. And you can do this with one of my honestly absolute most favorite products. It's the Resurfacing Moisture Mask. I saw Kate Hudson use it, and so I started using it. It is so wonderful. It's got these mango butters in it that are adding that moisture back into your skin while it's exfoliating. So you're not left feeling dry or anything. You're super soft and moisturized, and you smell amazing. So in conclusion, exfoliation is good, just don't overdo it, and never, ever use a mechanical exfoliant. In our next session, we are going to be talking about how to repair and strengthen the skin barrier. You don't want to miss it. Bye for now.